No mention in manual of ability to connect generator to home propane tank rather than small propane container. Using propane from home propane tank saves having to keep refilling gasoline cans for long-term operation. Generator is well built, solid, and runs smoothly. Updates from supplier as to time of delivery was missing. Once I contacted local delivery company, they were prompt in delivering to my home. Item was ordered on October 9, 19 and delivered on October 21, 19. This generator is perfect. We just finished a 3-day stretch without power, and we ran the generator hard. It came through for us. We ran it exclusively on propane, which is as convenient as we hoped. Only once did the propane tank ice up, shutting the generator down. There are kits that allow you to gang 2 tanks together. I recommend you get one. I ordered the 8,000 watt generator to provide backup power to our house in case of a power outage. It was delivered about a week after I ordered it. I quickly unboxed it in the driveway, and it only took a few minutes to attach the wheels, connect the battery, and add the oil that was provided in the box. It also came with a funnel. I didn't have any gasoline on hand, so I grabbed the propane tank from my barbecue grill, connected it with the supplied cable, and hit the start button. After a couple of tries, it fired right up. I ran it for about 20 minutes. I can't really say I'm looking forward to a major power outage, but now I'm ready when it happens. Bought this due to a potential hurricane power outage to power parts of my home, but haven't gotten around to installing the equipment. But our power went out and decided to go use it in the travel trailer and just plugged it in and flipped the breaker on the generator, and it barely even bogged down. Why? Generator was only about 10 foot outside the back of the trailer, and you could hear the generator, but it wasn't bad at all. TV could be heard as normal and talking was normal. But this is a loud generator. It was a little tough pulling it through the yard just due to the size and weight of the unit, but that's to be expected from a generator this size.